Is there a benefit that I will get if I become a Muslim? First, a framework for meaning. Islam offers a coherent worldview where your life has a purpose beyond the material. It answers the why. Why are we here? It's an anchor in a world that can often feel chaotic and uncertain. Second, a direct relationship with the divine. No intermediaries, no complex rituals required for a heartfelt conversation. It's a source of profound inner peace, a constant for reflection and gratitude that scientifically reduces anxiety and fosters resilience. Third, an ethical compass. Islam provides a clear, principled moral structure centered on justice, mercy, and personal accountability. It champions intellect. God invites you to question, to learn, to use your reason. This isn't about blind faith, it's about informed conviction. And socially, you gain a global community, a brotherhood and sisterhood that transcends borders, ethnicity, and social status. It's an instant support system built on a shared commitment to doing good. But here's the most important part. This is an invitation to explore, not a demand. The Quran says, "There shall be no compulsion in acceptance of the religion." The benefit isn't in a label, it's in the journey. The peace, the purpose, the connection, that's what you're really asking about. So take your time, read, ask questions. The door is open, and the choice, as it always has been, is yours.